Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. Today I am going to be showing you how I make a 5-minute fruit dip. This is perfect going into the summertime. It's a cool dessert and it also travels really well if you end up going on a picnic. This works great. Or if you just want to whip up something really quickly because you have a sweet tooth. And this is a lot less work than making a whole cheesecake, but it really does satisfy that craving. So I'm going to show you how to make it today.
This dip uses 5 ingredients: heavy cream, powdered sugar, honey, cream cheese, and vanilla extract. And then you also want to pick out your fruit that you'd like to use to dip in the dip. Anyway, I use strawberries because they're in season right now and they're also my favorite.
Now I just washed my strawberries, so I think I'm going to cut the tops off and then cut them in half so they're easy to dip with. Because these strawberries are huge. They're like giant size. Look at that. I don't know, I have a big head, so that wouldn't be a very good comparison. But they're giant, so I think I'm going to cut them. I might even cut this one into quarters. So just make them into nice dippable pieces.
I always eat this dip with strawberries, honestly, but I am really curious. If you guys try it with a different kind of fruit, let me know how it is because I think it would taste really good with pineapple or orange slices. But if you have any other ideas for fruit to try, let me know in the comments below. To make the dip, start out with 1 cup of heavy cream. And you'll want to make whipped cream out of this in your food processor or in your blender. I just thugged my food processor because I didn't realize how much I used this thing until I started videoing recipes. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I use this for 80% of the things that I make, it seems like. So go ahead and put this heavy cream in the blender or the food processor. And what you want to do is put it on and check on it you want to check on it after the first 30 seconds, but then you want to check on it after every 5 or 10 seconds actually after that, because it's very easy to over whip and then it starts to turn into butter, which is just a different activity that we're not doing today. I could do a video on making fresh butter. It's actually really delicious. Let me know if you'd like to see that one.
Now that I have my whipped cream made, I am just going to essentially dump the rest of the ingredients in here and put it back on the food processor stand or the blender base. So that's really all there is to it.
Now you want to add half a teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 big spoonfuls of powdered sugar, and then it's time to add your cream cheese. If you want to be a pro and somebody who plans ahead, get it out and let it soften up for an hour or 2. But if you're like me and do things on a whim, then you can soften it in the microwave for a few seconds. Now that you have all that dumped in, go ahead and head back to your blender or your food processor. Then give it one more mix. I'd give it, a few seconds. 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Oh, I guess 30 actually. Then I scrape the sides down just in case it's lumpy. And then I just stir it up one more time. You are now ready to serve this dip. I like to put it in a fancy bowl because I feel like it looks like I tried harder. But it actually is a beautiful presentation. I think fruit is so pretty to look at, and it's such a nice treat in the summertime because it's a cold dessert. So also make sure that you sample it ahead of time because you don't want to serve your guests something gross. You have to monitor the deliciousness. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my homemaking content. And I will see you next Sunday. Bye!